I'm here on Depot, I was gonna use some of those wire connector. That's crazy. I mean, that's $1 each. The big one, like $1.50 each. I mean, that's crazy. And that's $10 the antioxidant compound. I mean, any dielectric gel will do it. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna make my own. Forget about $55, man. That's crazy. For 100, so 55 cents each. But when you go like, for over $1 each, the medium. And the large, I mean, that's crazy. $21 for 20. So over $1 each for the large. Anyway, forget about it. I'm moving to something else. I'm making my own because that's way overpriced. Anyway, I'm here. I'm rewiring those lights. I was able to salvage so far 8 of them. I feel like these ones are dead. They had water inside. I guess the seal didn't last, so I cut them off and I'm reinstalling this the wire coming out of the ground. Now, sadly, I'm gonna have to do high voltage for a few more days until I get the replacement lights. But if you don't know what's available, I mean, which one is the hot and the neutral, is easy to see. See the one darker is the hot wire. The one is the neutral because less load, less heat throughout the time. So anyway, let me work on those, and got a few more to do. When today, I mean, I need to, it's kind of crazy how expensive those things are. The dry con, I went to buy them, like 4 of them were like $5. So the big box is like 25 of them is like $20. So so technically they're like $1 each. These one are very close to $1 each, like 70-80 cents each. Now this box with 158 pieces is $5 at Harbor Freight. The only difference, those things that inside, like what's called like a dielectric gel or some kind of silicone, would prevent the water from getting in. So, but what I'm using instead is the liquid tape. It's wonderful. I love it. I already put my regular wire nuts on it. Now I'm going to coat it with liquid tape, let it dry, and then wrap it with electrical tape, same as I would have done if I did those. So really I do the same. If I use those, I put electrical tape, but the price is just insane. I mean, $1 each almost for a wire nut, just because of the little silicone gel inside, like dielectric gel. And I ordered dielectric gel so I can make my own. Anyway, let me get moving here. I'm gonna put now the liquid tape on it and I show you. Anyway, I'm here. I'm gonna put now my liquid tape. I opened the little jar. Let's see what I can do. Yeah, it's not too bad. See, I just want to make sure I coat it. I don't want to go crazy. Top and bottom, and push as much as I can, into my wire nuts. And the way I wire like this, because I'm gonna push one end of the wire up, one part of the wire, the other one down, so they are not, most of the people they kind of wire them together like both of them and make it very bulky. I prefer, so this one is gonna be flush to that, to this one is gonna be flush down, so one up and one down, so keep the wire more less, and also it's good if I go this, so no infiltration will go into my, that's it. I have another one to do, then I let it dry for like, it's very quick by the way, 2-3 minutes. See, that's I did this one, so I'm going to push it like that and then tape it. So you see like this, so it's not as bulky. It's still a little wet, but it's not too bad. Okay. Anyway, that's it. Let me wrap it up with the electrical tape, and then I'm ready to go. I do both of them. Anyway, that's an example of my final product. You can see this temporarily anyway. If I want it to be really watertight, I can put an extra coat on the liquid electrical tape. Like I said, it's available at Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. Even Harbor Freight has it, so it's very handy. Comes in different color, and I could coat that, but since I already coat the wire nut inside, I'm pretty confident it won't be. It's not really submerged, just to make it water resistant. Anyway, that's temporary anyway because I'm waiting for new lights. So anyway, that's how to save several bucks by doing. I'm gonna do the other one here. So I'm using, instead of this dry con, pretty much almost $1 each. Crazy. I'm using regular wire nuts from Harbor Freight. It's only $5 for this whole container with 158. They're not as good quality as some of the other ones, but honestly, for what I'm using them for, I mean, I'm happy with that. I really never had a problem. It didn't improve the quality. There was the old bad years ago. Anyway, I don't see much of a difference from the name brand Home Depot and Lowe's. I do like the one with the little ears on the side, you know, to twist them, but I don't see them anymore as much. So anyway, that's it. That's my repair there. Now I'm gonna put the electrical tape on it, same way. Like I say, one side up, one side down, so make the wire less bulky. That's it. Thank you again for watching. This is Ingenious Giacomo, and that one was already done, as you can see. I didn't even bother burying the wire because I'm replacing those lights in a week when I get them. There is a delay on shipping because of the holidays. Anyway, that's a good alternative, but another alternative is also to get some dielectric gel, fill them up with that, and then still wrap them, but you're gonna save quite a few bucks. And I did both of them. As you can see, the 3 tool I used the liquid tape, the electrical tape, they call it liquid tape, and I used the wire connector from Harbor Freight, some electrical tape, just to test and make sure there's no voltage, my wire stripper, and I didn't use any of those waterproof connectors because they're just too expensive. It's crazy. 20 something dollars for that. Anyway, it's around 20 bucks. But if you buy the small package for Home Depot, it was like crazy, like $4.97, something insane. Thank you again for watching. This is Ingenious Giacomo. Please thumbs up and subscribe.